Hello, good evening. Sobke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kuri ase. Notun thakse kule subscribe aro share kur diwi. Aji la first update te ase Nagaland te coal mining karni river pollution ase koina Assam khan blame kura ase. Report has up to 2019 te Minister for Environment, Forest, Climate Change Prakash Javadekar Parliament te reveal kuri dishe Mukokchung District Miranibra aha pani Assam te most polluted river ase aro India te 351 polluted nodi thakya machi te ase koina khobor te koi dishe. Assam Public Health and Engineering Department indicate kura as up to Nagaland te coal mining karni Bogadoi nodi tu high level manganese uthe ase. PHED letter te State Urban Water Supply Department khan ke address kuri dia asap tu Nagaland te coal mining acetic aro manganese mix kura tu town area te supply no kurbole lake koina state kuri dishe. Itu issue tu Mirani MLA Rupjoti Kamri bra SOS government ke illegal coal mining Nagaland te stop kurbole lake koina kwa piche te ula pa ase. MLA Facebook post te government ke appeal kuri takshe emergency team aro chemist khan tu bodoi nodi te pathai dige na check kuri Mirani citizen khan ke bachai divi koina post kuri thakya khobor pa ase update kuri de ase. Next ase Jalolki town te security forces khan bra emergency medical assistant kuri dishe 38 years old lady Jalolki te. PRO Kohima kwa hesab tu 38 years old lady tu pregnant ase aro heavy blood loss ha nimite anemia bemar thakya khobor te koi thagise. Itu homoite medical staff Assam Rifle khan bra blood unit tuita donate kuri life bachai dishe. Town authorities khan tu inika duk digdar tamte modob kura nimite dangor acknowledge kuri thakya khobor te update kuri dia ase. Next ase Manipur state tu organic pineapple alag state te export kura shuru hoi jaise. Infal report has up to Manipur government to fresh organic pineapple part alag state bra last year Nishna first consignment to 1.2 metric ton international airport te ponchai dishe. Manipur chief minister statement has up to itu pandemic te pineapple airlift kuri thakya nimite farmers kan to state te boost kura ase. Government support bra sell and export to kuri ase aro benefit to farmers kan ke di thakya chief minister add kuri dishe. Aro state to itu sal target to 250 metric ton Garkon, Chandigarh, Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur aro Bangalore te export kurbola ase. Manipur state to last time organic farmers khan ke 78 lakhs benefit kuri dishe organic pineapple export kuri thakya nimite. Next ase report has up to Assam Police khan bra Meghalaya private godown bra 1 lakh Food Corporation of India rice mill seize kuri dishe. Reported 1 lakh bag of FCI rice to Meghalaya Unit Food Corporation of India Private Kamrap Rural District bra ase aro essential commodities to market te sell kurbole thakya khobor te ko ase. Itu illegal activities to truck khan uthai thakya nimite villagers khan bra police khan ke inform kuri dishe aro report pa hesab Assam Police aro Kamrap District Administration khan milai gena seize kuri dishe. Senior official media te kwa hesab tu FCI 50 bag chawal tu taikhan labram te repacking kurgena Meghalaya te pathai thakya kwa ase. Khobor te 13 truck khan transport kuri thakya arrest kurgena investigation tu rakha ase. Next ase sports update hesab tu Euro 2020 jakali full time result te England bra 1 goal lugena Croatia ke harai dishe. Aro Netherlands Twitter goal lugena Urani Twitter goal ke harai dia khobor te update kuri dia ase. UEFA Euro 2021 ajila match to 6:30 PM bra Scotland versus Czech Republic khelibola ase 9:30 PM bra Poland versus Slovakia aro 12:30 AM bra Spain versus Sweden khelibola ase koina football lovers khan ke update kuri dia ase. Next ase Union Health Minister report has up to India COVID-19 within 24 hours te 70,421.72 days piche te kumti record hua ase. 1,19,501 discharge aro 3,921 dead record ho jaise. Report has up to India daily COVID cases to namija ase ita India te total confirmed cases to 2,95,10,410 recover bra 2,81,62,947 active case bra 9,73,158 aro murja to hule 3,74,305 hoja khobor te update kuri dia ase. Khobor hesab to ita desh te 25,48,49,301 bra vaccination ho jaise. Next ase Bangalore report te shocking khobor pa ase 25 years woman to tala boyfriend ke file complaint kuri dishe tai bra paisa na dia to blackmailing kuri thakya nimite. Reported 25 years old lady to repeated MNC te kam kuri thake aro accused ta jon tu online te look pa khobor pa ase. To accused to maki ke iPhone 12 Pro Max worth 1.4 lakhs to demand kuri thakse to dibole napara nimite mota tu taike distance kura ase koina complaint file kuri dishe. To ajikali husala morom na hoina everywhere demand hoi jaise itu karni hoshar kurubole et kuri de ase. Ajila last update ase Naftali Bennett to 12 years rule Benjamin ke opposition te pathai di kena Israel Prime Minister kurubole otlo loise koina khobor pa ase. Reported Bennett to 60 to 59 vote te Prime Minister kuri loise divide nation hill kurubole nimite aro 71 years old Benjamin to political state extending kurubole intention nai ko ase aro back strength kuri kena government te return kurubole jona ase. Khoborte Bennett supporters kan koi dishe tai tu global statement unique capable aro security challenge sob ase koina khoborte koi dishe. Hundreds of protesters kan government approve hab chete Israel flag to wave kuri celebrate kuri thakse Sunday te. President Joe Biden quickly congratulate kuri dishe notun government nimite aro Prime Minister Bennett ke country relation to tako thakibole statement te koi dishe. Aro Bennett statement te country te ita tu divide and rule policy tu hatabola ase koina khobor pa sab update kuri de ase. Aro ajila update yate bra khotom kura ase sob manu take care stay safe.